Hello guys, welcome to in this video. In this video I am sharing about what is YouTube visibilities. YouTube visibility refer who can see your videos and how easily your content is discovered on YouTube. First of all, public. Everyone on YouTube can see your videos. Appearance in search results, suggestion videos and your channels. Best for reaching. Privates. Only you and selected people you invite you can watch the videos. Not visibility in the search result or recommendations. Useful for personal content or drugs. Unlisted. Unlisted. Only people with the videos link can view it. Does not appear in the search result or on the YouTube public cities. Goods for sharing with a limited audience, friend, clients, or for testing. Scheduling lets you can set specific date and time for your videos to go public automatically. Consistently upload videos at the best times for your audience without being online. Planning help manage multiple videos in advance. A drop. A video saved for editing, not visibility yet. Schedule a video is planned to go to public at the specific time. Visibilities who can see the videos public, private, unlisted. In short, YouTube visibilities decide who can watch your videos and how widely your content is seen on the platform. It determines where your video is public, private, or unlisted, and affect how it appears in the search result. Recommendations are on your channels. YouTube visibility refer who can see your videos and how easily your content is discovered on YouTube. Thanks for watching these videos. Thanks for all the viewers.